Hello, my name is Ali Zaidi and I'm a senior immigration solicitor at Zaidi Solicitors. Today I will be outlining the procedure for applying for a UK marriage or spouse visa. This visa allows married partners of British citizens to enter the UK on the basis that they are married to someone who has settled status in the UK. An applicant on a marriage or spouse visa is entitled to study or work in the UK once the visa has been granted. To qualify for a UK spouse or marriage visa, an applicant must satisfy the following requirements. An applicant and their spouse must be 18 years old or over. They must also have met each other and be legally married. They must intend to both live together permanently in the UK. Also, they must be in a position to financially maintain themselves and any dependents without recourse to public funds. The sponsoring partner must earn more than £18,600 per year or have sufficient savings to be able to sponsor the applicant. The minimum financial requirement is higher if they are also sponsoring dependent children. Please take note that the High Court have recently ruled that the minimum income threshold requirement is unjustified and disproportionate where the sponsor is a refugee or a British citizen. Therefore, all applications that fail to satisfy the financial requirement, however satisfy the other requirements, will not automatically be refused by the UK Border Agency, and instead all such applications are presently being paused for consideration. If you require further information on this process, please subscribe to the Zaidi Solicitors channel and view our previous podcast on this topic. Also, suitable accommodation for the applicant and spouse and any dependents must be provided. Also, the applicant must satisfy the English language requirement. In respect of how long a spouse visa lasts, if an applicant is applying from overseas, a spouse visa is initially issued for 33 months. If an applicant is applying from within the UK, a spouse visa is issued for a period of 30 months. If an applicant wishes to enter the UK on the basis of a relationship with a UK national, they must first apply for entry clearance prior to entering the UK. In respect of the English language requirement for applicants, an applicant must be able to show that he or she can speak English and understand English. To meet this English language requirement, they must be a national of a country outside the European Economic Area and Switzerland, and they must be in a relationship with a British citizen or a person settled in the UK, and they wish to immigrate to the UK as that person's spouse. If the applicant is not a national of a majority English-speaking country or do not have a degree taught in English, they will need to pass an English language test from an approved test provider. Please consult the UK Border Agency website on this aspect. If the relationship ends or the relationship or marriage has irretrievably broken down and the applicant has limited leave to remain in the UK, it is necessary for the applicant to notify the UK Border Agency of any change in circumstances. The UK Border Agency's response may be to cancel the spouse or marriage visa or grant the applicant leave to remain on a discretionary basis. Alternatively, it may be necessary for the applicant to apply for leave to remain under another category. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast. I hope you can join us next week for another episode of our new series, Immigration.